How to fix the iPhone low sound problem. So if the volume on your iPhone is too quiet or too low, I'm going to show you how to increase the volume and fix this issue. Now, the first thing you need to do is go and unlock your iPhone like this. You could then use your finger to swipe down in the top right hand side of the screen, and this will bring up the control center like so. Now on the right hand side, you'll see this speaker volume slider, and you obviously need to make sure this is turned up to the very maximum like so. Now once you've made sure this is turned up, you can go and close out of this window. You could then come over to the iPhone speakers themselves. So at the bottom of your iPhone, you'll see these small circular dots, and these are basically the speakers on your phone. Now sometimes you may get dust or debris that kind of accumulates in these speakers. So what you can try doing is just cleaning these with a small brush. So you can use something like a toothbrush just to make sure your speakers are completely clean. And once you've done this, head back over to your iPhone and go and load up your settings. We're then going to scroll down the page to Sounds and Haptics and click on this. Make sure silent mode is turned off and disabled, and then scroll down to Ringtone and Alerts. Now once again you'll see a volume slider. Make sure this is turned all the way up to maximum. You can then scroll down to the built-in speaker and click on Volume Limit. Now make sure the limit maximum volume is turned off and disabled, and this will prevent your iPhone from limiting the speakers. Now come back over to the previous window, make sure Reduce Loud Sounds is also turned off and disabled, and then scroll down to Headphone Safety. Now where it says Reduce Loud Audio, make sure this is also turned off. And once you've applied all of these settings, you can check to see if your speakers are now louder. If it's still not working, there is one final solution. So go and open back up your settings, head back over to the main settings page, and then scroll down and click on General. Scroll down to the bottom of the window and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Click on the Reset button, and then you'll need to press Reset All Settings. Now you'll probably need to enter your iPhone's passcode in order to confirm these changes. Once all of your settings have been reset, that should have fixed any low sound problems on your iPhone.